Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread vada. First, gather your ingredients: about 6 to 8 slices of bread, 1/4 cup of semolina, and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. You'll also need 1 finely chopped onion, 2 green chilies, and a small piece of ginger. Don't forget fresh curry leaves and cilantro for that authentic taste. This quick snack is perfect for any time. Next, tear your bread slices into small pieces and lightly soak them in water. It's crucial to squeeze out all the excess water, making sure the bread is just moist. Now, combine this bread pulp with the semolina, rice flour, and all your chopped vegetables. Add about a half teaspoon of salt and any other spices you enjoy, mixing everything well to form a cohesive dough. Now, let's shape the vadas. Lightly grease your hands with a little oil to prevent the mixture from sticking. Take a small, lemon-sized portion of the dough and flatten it into a disc, about 1/4 inch thick. Create a small hole in the center of each vada, just like traditional vadas. Heat oil in a deep pan over medium-high heat, ensuring it's hot enough for frying. Carefully place the shaped vadas into the hot oil, being mindful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a crispy texture. Once cooked, remove the vadas and place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve these delicious, crispy bread vadas hot with your favorite coconut chutney or a flavorful sambar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.